Hello there everyone, my name is Afralo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, guys and girls, today is a very special day because just now Ethereum has merged from POW to POS successfully. So everything worked out absolutely brilliantly and more brilliantly than they've actually expected. So this is very good. So there was so much FUD online that it's not gonna work, it's gonna fail, everything is gonna crumble, nothing is gonna work. But so far, with all the stages of this actual merge, I was actually watching this live stream right here by the Ethereum Foundation, and there were like 43,000 people watching it at the time. So with all the details were all disclosed during this live stream. So if you watched it, amazing and congratulations. So and the biggest question now, so okay, great, it's successful, but what's next? What's next for the Ethereum price? What's next for the Ethereum Foundation? Is this the answer that we've been waiting for the crypto industry? And the answer is absolutely yes. So this is what we've been waiting for, and I understand that we currently are in a terrible macroeconomic situation. Nonetheless, the Ethereum merge doesn't change this fact. However, guys and girls, what I want to emphasize, what I want you to pay attention to is the fact that the crypto industry is evolving regardless of the macroeconomics. So the big question is, where is this going to take Ethereum? And in my personal humble opinion, with the 99.9% reduction in carbon footprint and with this foundation that they are currently laying for things like sharding, for things like roll-ups, all the things that are going to be coming actually in the next stages, because the merge itself is only basically like the beginning of scaling of the Ethereum's network to the level of Visa and MasterCard in terms of the speed, also the reduction of gas fees, so the costs of using the Ethereum network, etc. So this is the beginning of a beautiful future. And now let's talk about the price. So what can the price do? Because right now, quite honestly, I'm watching the price. I've been watching the price during this live stream, and I was trying to understand where is it going, what's going to happen, because right now we are in the 4-hour chart. We are also in this wedge right here, which is honestly very clear. And by the way, I'm going to tell you an interesting trade, and if you want to trade it yourself, you can actually do it over on Bybit as well as over on BitGet. And down in the description or in the pinned comment of this video, you'll find up to $12,100 in initial deposit bonuses, $4,100 with Bybit, and up to $8,000 in initial deposit bonuses with BitGet. And also you'll get 5 USDT for signing up, and you will also get up to $50 bonus for 50,000 futures trading volume, which is very easy to reach. And also if you deposit more than $500, you'll get my crypto course for free, which is valued at about $500 alone, which is awesome. So use my link down below and get ready for insane trades. Now, the biggest question everybody's asking me right now, Thomas, what are you expecting from the price? Because there are two models. There are two types of people right now. There are two types. The type of the person, number one, is who is saying that since the merge is successful, we have to move upward. Then we have to break out of this wedge right here. Then we're going to have a technical target of this breakout, let's say something approximately something like this. So about $2,200 could be the target of this breakout from this wedge. And this is also sending us into this more of a bullish scenario, just basically riding the wave of positive news that the merge actually worked and it actually has done well. But there is other type of people, and those are going to be the ones who are going to be looking at the price action right now, because the merge just happened. It's successful. It's great. But quite frankly, and I'm just explaining my thought process right now. So, and quite frankly, we're not really seeing any huge movement. Look, it says, the merge happened here. So we actually went up, then down, then up. So we are just standing in the same place. So we're not really seeing an incredible move as of right now. So what I'm personally thinking is that if you're going to take a look at the volume, oh geez, I it was already there. So we are seeing some volume coming in, but it's not a dramatic spike, but there is a spike, so that's good news. But at the same time, on this kind of bullish news that some people were expecting the merge to happen literally for so long, that you would actually expect the price to just skyrocket if this scenario, the previous scenario that I've described, would be, accurate. So that's what I actually was expecting myself. I thought that, if it's going to be good, we're going to, ride on the positive news upward. But as I'm seeing the price action right now, it's actually quite slow. So it gives me a reason to think that those who believe in a different scenario could actually turn out to be right in this instance. And those are the people who believe that you have to buy the rumors and sell the news. So basically, those are going to be the people who are, let's say, right in this vicinity when we had this incredible pump from $1,000 all the way to $2,000, so 100% pump. This is when we were understanding that the merge really is coming in September, or very soon in 2022. And this is what this was buying the rumors and basically selling the news. And the concept of these believers is that right now, when this actually took place right here, some consolidation in this area before the actual merge, that right now there isn't going to be enough buying power, and in turn there's going to be profit taking and actual short-term move downward rather than upward. So it's like buying the rumors and selling the news. So, and this is something that is very possible in this scenario. And in my personal humble opinion, the best indication would be to simply trade a breakout, which would be just a technical, because right now we have fundamentals. We understand we have macroeconomics, which you already know they're very bad. But I think that the fact that the merge was successful overshadows the macroeconomics a little bit, just because it's such an overhyped event. And right now, what we can rely on is technicals. So if we, for example, break below this support, I would suggest that it's possible to take a short trade. Again, not financial advice, that's how I'm looking at this. But just to have a technical confirmation. Certainly you can put in a trade right now if you believe we're gonna crash down or if we're gonna go up. That's really up to you. But then, of course, if you want a technical confirmation, then we can actually wait for a test here, then a breakout, and then to write the actual breakout from here, the positive scenario that I've mentioned. But of course, the thing is with this kind of an entry, it would be it would be very far away. So from the current price, that would be at the breakout, would be probably like 10, 11, even 12% difference in terms of your entry price. So this is also something you really have to keep in mind. And as for me, I'm gonna try to be a very positive trader here, and for that reason I've put in a long trade over on BitGet already. Here it is. So it's a 150 Ethereum trade, so it's a $250,000 trade. And well, basically I'm trying to bet on the fact that the Ethereum was successful. So let me just tell you how exactly I'm going to be controlling this trade. So I'm not going to be waiting for this breakout above, because again, it's just way too far in this wedge. So that's, already would be been a huge profit if we're going to move upward. But certainly I have to be proactive as a trader, and so should you be as traders. If it's going to move down and it's going to close below here, then certainly as a bare minimum, I would just accept the loss on this. I would accept and say that, listen, those who said that it's going to be dumping after the merge because of the concept of buy the rumors and sell the news, I will accept it, and that's it. And maybe even open a short trade with a scenario that we've just discussed. But so far at this point, I'm just taking quickly a long trade here, raking in the $1,000 in profit. But we will see how that plays out. If you want to be trading this yourself, then use my links down below. Go to either BitGet or Bybit, claim insane bonuses, and I'm gonna link a tutorial to BitGet right here on how to actually trade, and it's a crypto course for free that I've done for my community. So all I'm asking is to share this video with your friends and family members and all the people who you think are losing too much money in the markets and need proper guidance. And check out this course, and as always, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.